Remember, you are folding the material into two. You are folding it into two. So now you place the back on the front here. Then you mark a chalk in all these points here. All these points you have before, all the seam allowance, the length point, then the half length, then the arm mold here, then the fence point here, line, then the shoulder point. So you mark chalk, your chalk all over there. Mark it like this. Mark it like this. Mark it like this. Then you also come and mark it in this other side too. You mark it like that. That's okay. Then you take this one off. Then you use your ruler. Okay, so I'm done with this drawing of the line. So now I will do the measurement right away on the front of this suit. I'm adding 1 inches here. 1 inches here, 1 inches, that's the button allowance. That's the button allowance. So I'm drawing the lines together to have a straight line there. Have a straight line there. So come down to this is the neck point now. Using 3 inches like the front side. I mark 3 inches there. Then I bring in the back. Then I place it here. Remember, I'm going to do half inches here. Half inches there. This is the half inches. Then I place the back there. Then I'm marking the shoulder point here. Then mark from the top of the shoulder, I drop it down to 1.5, mark 1.5 there, and using the ruler, my ruler here, draw a line here. Bring in the back again. So you place it on top of the line. Add it ½ inch on top of the line. You place the back there. Look at the chalk here. Just place it like this. Look at the line we mark on the back here. You draw it here now, like that. Then you draw the neck, how the neck is going to look like. The round neck is going to have a collar. It's going to have a standing collar here. So now the neck is 15.5. So I'm going to use my tape here and round this neck over. So I have my 15.5 here. That is 7.5 3/4. That's the 15.5 here. Okay, that is the neck. Then now come down to the measurements, the chest measurements. That's 43. Chest measurement. Remember, I've removed 9 inches on the back area, or you can bring the back like this and measure what you have already removed on the back. Now I've already taken out 9 inches on the back out from the chest measurement there. So you remove the 9 inches now. That is divided, the 43 divided by 2. So I'm trying to show you how to divide this measurement now, so you can get this other front the measurement you want in the other and the front to make up the back, so you can get the full measurement. So the divided by 2, 43 divided by 2 is 21.5. 21.5 divided by 43 is 21.5. So now you take the 9 inches out that you already have on the back side. You take the 9 inches out. You know you have here now. Okay. So now you use 10 inches on the front here. Remember, when you have this 10 inches, doesn't mean you finish all the remaining measurements, because you still have another piece of this on this other side. So the little one that remains, I'm going to take it over here now. So in my next video, I'm going to explain this better. I'm going to explain this place better, so you really understand the technique I'm using in this place right now. So, but follow me up on this one. This one now I'm using ½ inches here. Then rod back 1 inch here again. Then measure from there to the bottom area. I have 8.5. Then I place the 8.5 again here. I draw a line there. Then I trace up here. Then I'll measure 1 inches here. Then I do the curve here, curve in here like this. Now I will use my French curve here to curve the armhole, curve the armhole. Curve the armhole. Then I'll measure this from this place now, from this point here to this place. I have 9.5. Take it down like that, 9.5, 9.5. Take it down like that. Use ruler, connect them together. Use the ruler, connect them together. This is my French curve. This French curve is very, very important. It's very important for this job, for this particular work like this. So now I'm bringing in the measurement back now. That is divided into 2. The 43 divided into 2 is 21.5. Then minus 9 inches that I already have on the back side. Then from here now to this point where I have my chalk here, I have this chalk here now. So you just count from this 9 now. 1 inches from here to here, 1 inches, 2 inches, 3/4. So I have 2 inches 3/4 left there. I have 2 inches 3/4 left there. So 2 inches 3/7. Then come down to the waist area. I have that is the tummy area. I have 41 divided by 2. Remember I have 7 half here, 7.5 on the half length here. Then I'm placing my tape on the half length point now. 41 inches divided by 2 is 20.5. 20.5 here. Take 7.5 out and start counting the remaining one. 7.5. From here, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3.5. I have 3.5 inches there. I have 3.5 inches there. So now 3.5 inches left. So this is what I'm going to do. Just follow me up. You understand what I'm doing. If you don't understand, my next video will tell you more better. So I'm drawing a line like this. This line. In this place, I use 2.5 here. Drawing this line up there. Drawing this line up there. Then remember I have 2 3/4 here before. So I'm using the 2 3/4 here now. I hope you are seeing all this chalk well. 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Then I'm adding 2 inches seam allowance. Remember I have 3.5 here. I'm adding seam allowance. So after you have that all this calculation in place, then you bring it back here again. You place it like this. You place it on this line. Make sure they match each other. All the line, the arm length line, the arm shoulder line, everything matches together. Then you draw the line, you draw the shape like this. So you can have the same thing here. Like that. So now you draw the armhole, you curve it like this. You add ½ inch at the top of the fence line, ½ inch there. So you have the armhole. So everything is set now. That is how to get this done. So let's progress to the next level. So I'm going to do the cutting right now. So that is how to drive the front and get the. So whatever you don't understand, if you get to my next video, you understand better. I will explain more better when I'm cutting again. When I'm doing the cutting again, I will explain it better. So let's do the cutting. Okay, you add ½ inches on the down part here. You slant it a little. Slant it. Just make sure the front is a bit longer than the back. A bit longer than the back. A bit longer than the back. Give it a notch. Give it a notch because of how the style is looking like. The front is slanting. The front is not straight. So I'm going to cut this front in another dimension now. So this front, this is because it's Indian suits, you know they always have different styles. between 5 inches. So this is the center point on this front area. I'm gonna slant it down here. Slant it down to this place. So I have it like this. So after you done that, this is the cutting. So now this one is on them. You can use it for something else. But this one now, you cut the same of this one to make it up to the other side of the pieces of the front. You are placing, this is the right side and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So you are placing the right side to the right side. The right side to the right side, then you cut the same thing. So I'm done cutting. So you make sure you notch here. Make sure you notch the center. So this eye is going to be. You're placing it like this. So after finish sewing, that is how the front is going to be. Something like that. Then the color is going to be here. So thank you for watching. I hope you understand. If you don't understand the calculation or the cutting, whatever I'm doing here, so the next video I'm going to show you better. Watch out for the next video. Thank you for watching. Till next time.